Hi friends, welcome to this session on how to set or change hostname in CentOS or Red Hat 7 or 8. Let's go through some basic first, then I will show you in real world scenarios later. A computer hostname represents a unique name that gets assigned to a computer in a network in order to uniquely identify that computer in that specific network. A computer hostname can be set to any name you like, but you should keep in mind the following rules. A hostname can contain letters from A to Z, and it can contain digits from 0 to 9, and hostname can contain only the hyphen character as a special character, and it can contain the dot special character, and it can also contain a combination of all three roles, but must start and end with a letter or a number. Hostname letters are case insensitive. You can use capital letter or small letter, it doesn't matter. Hostname must contain between 2 and 63 characters long, and the hostname should be descriptive to is identifying the computer purpose, location, geographical areas, etc. on the network. Now we open the terminal window, and here you type hostname command. Then after pressing enter, it will show localhost.localdomain as default hostname. Now we can display the computer short name, the hostname only, by -s option. Later on we can show the domain name hostname -f option. Here it shows localhost and local domain. Now we can check the hostname uh, from viewing the file root etc hostname file, where the hostname can be found there also. Now we can set the hostname by this command hostname.ctl set hostname. Here I have saved server1.example.com. Here you can see. Now we type hostname.ctl command to see the details. Here we can see the static hostname server1.example.com. We can find machine ID, virtualization environment VMware, operating system is Linux 8 as CentOS, and kernel version is there, and architecture also. After setting the hostname, you can see my terminal. It shows root @localhost, as it requires to close this terminal and open again to for implement the changes that I have made earlier. Now I show you the easiest way And another way to change the hostname using graphical interface. Here you can see the device name server1.example.com. You can type anything as you desired, to set as hostname for this server. This is another way to change the hostnames. I think you learn how to change the hostname on a Linux system. Thank you all. Bye.